My time at NYU Law was defined by Ann Bryce. I got to law school and I had never had any lawyers in my family. Everything was kind of a new experience to me.
Coming to a school like NYU with resources that are provided by the Ann Bryce program, I knew it would definitely put me on the path towards success. I came to law school with a lot of plans, a lot of things that I wanted to do. One of those things was work at a big law firm here in New York City. Another thing that I want to do is get a judicial clerkship after law school. And I think the Ann Bryce program has afforded me the relationships to accomplish those things in a much easier fashion than I would have done on my own.
The Ann Bryce program opened doors and provided opportunities that I never knew existed. I sit here today as the first Latina partner at Cravath. And when I sat on my stoop in Brooklyn years ago, I didn't know what that meant, couldn't imagine what that would look like, let alone think that it would be me. I would not have been able to afford law school and to continue supporting my family without the full tuition scholarship provided by Ann Bryce.
It's kind of more than an official thing, a formal program, a line on your resume. It's this thing you have, it's this family you have. Your Ann Bryce family, we call it. And I think that's why we think of it kind of in a special way.
The relationship that we build with each one of these students, there's not a place we wouldn't go if they were in trouble or ill. They are like my son or daughter. That's how I feel. And I believe they feel that way as well.
I think Tony and Bea are involved in the program in a way that is really extraordinary. They don't just give their money, they give themselves to the program.
I have seen with my own eyes their total commitment to the program, and not only to the program. When I say the program, it's really the students.
Tony and Bea were just invaluable mentors. And I wanted to be them when I grew up, right? I wanted to be someone who understood, who could give back, who wanted to give back, and then could, because they had reached some level of success.
Success is not driven by one person, it's driven by a group of people. And if you can map it out and create a community where the members of that community are really committed to each other's success, the sky's the limit. And I think in many instances, that's what's happened here at NYU and inside the Ann Bryce program.